Morning guys. Right, you can obviously see from the last picture that we got in the diesel strength conditioning straps. Now these are absolutely dynamite. They come all the way from America. So they do mimic a rope, basically if you were doing things like tricep pull downs. But the only difference they have is they have an actual handle. So you can now do your triceps with gripping. You can take the hand out completely and do your tricep pull down from this point. So you're actually taking out the wrist joint. These are amazing. One, if you have poor wrist mobility, sometimes using straight bars and certain bars will not match your needs and mechanics. So one thing we do pride ourselves in here at JP's is not only having good kit, but matching the needs and requirements of everyone who walks in the door. So these are great if you've got things like shabby wrists, elbows, if you've got poor grip. These are absolutely fantastic because they do match your body's natural movement patterns, because they kind of go where your wrists and elbows kind of want to naturally go. So these are going to be really cool, and I'm looking forward to everyone coming in and giving them a try. So you can see it compared to one of the smaller ropes that we have. We do have a bigger rope as well. I think it's a 20 inch, but you can see obviously the difference here as well. So now you've got the added look on top of that too. I was going to say as well, folks, if you are a personal trainer and you have clients that are maybe a little bit overweight, think about you trying to put them on seated row positions. If you've got them on one of those little V handles and they're 20 stone plus, there's no way in a million years they're going to get an optimal back contraction, all right? Or even this one here as well, right? No way that's going to fit around your client. So one option is the bigger handle here. As you notice, it can widen a little bit more as well. That's why we use things like the D-loops, which you'll also notice in some of the videos as well. So just a wee quick tip for you guys today, and have a fantastic afternoon.